Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how to knit on a knitting machine the Grinch hat. Okay, I bought this fur from AliExpress. I was going to buy it through Amazon, but the price were like ridiculously high. So I already cut a square. Actually, I have two. Okay, so I'm going to sew it up and fill it with you. And then we're going to knit up the hat. I'll just stuck this back in the bag. There's lots of fabric in here. And I will put the link where I bought it. It came very fast. Like, I was surprised. I bought this way back in the summer. I kept on forgetting. And it's already December. I said to myself, I better start working on this. So, I'm just going to grab my needle. I'll be right back. Okay, so I did cut pretty big. It's like 7 by 7. The time you sew it up, it's gonna shrink a bit, right? So I thought to myself, yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start from here, and I did my double thread. I'm doing it double. And then this is what I'm going to do. And I will let this a little bit long, this long edge here, the end of the, and I'm just going to go around and then just like this. Believe it or not, I think this is the first time can't remember if I ever, yeah, this is the first time. I never made a pom-pom before. I usually buy them through AliExpress or through Amazon, but the green, this color is really hard to find. So that's the reason I went and bought it. Okay, let me go around and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went around and I'm at the last one, so I'm going to pull it gently. I don't want to break the thread, so I will pull it just like this on two sides, and I'm going to fill it. So this is going to take me a while. I just wanted to show you how it looks like. Okay, I will pull it. This is nice, and I'll be right back. It looks like it's easy, but no way, it's not easy at all. I'm having a hard time closing this, so it's going to take me a while. You know, when you see it, you think, oh, I can do this. It's so easy, but no, it's not easy at all. Believe me. Okay, I've been trying to tuck this in, and the fur keeps on coming. This is not easy. Okay. Let me just work on it and I'll be right back. I just wanted to do the pom-pom first and knit the hat. Okay, so here's the pom-pom. I haven't closed it yet. I am going to put this elastic. This is how I'm planning to do. I haven't seen it anywhere. I don't know if people do this, but this is how I'm going to do it. And then, yeah, I had to use this yarn because the other one broke. And I am going to pull as hard as I can, just like this. Okay. Ta-da, here's my pom-pom. So I'm going to hide this. I'm going to poke the needle. And then I'm going to pull it. Just gonna cut this, and I'm gonna do the other on the other one as well. Ta-da! Here is the pom-pom. Oh, just love it, love it. For my first pom-pom, I think it turned out perfect. Okay, let's get on knitting the hat now. Okay, I had to pull my tripod high. So I'm going to cast on. I got this recipe through Facebook knitting adding machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to knit 10 rows of the red, 5 rows of the white, and then I will come and show you 5 rows of the white, 5 rows of the red, 5 rows of the white, 5 rows of the red, 5 rows of the white, and finally 75 rows of the green. This green that these are the yarns that I have in my stash, so I did not go out and buy it. The green is a little bit thicker, but that's okay. So I'm going to cast on, and I will knit, and I will come and show you how it looks like so far. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to show you everything step by step, as you should know how to, cast on and so on. It's been a couple of months I haven't been using my knitting machines due to my pains on my wrist and my arm. So let's see how I'm going to do this. Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah, this is the 48 Sentro, so it's very big. It's not fitting in my screen here. So I am going to knit a total of 10 rows of the red. And I'm going as slow as I can. It's been a while I haven't been knitting, so I don't want to. And 7 rows so far. A couple of more rows, and then I'm going to knit 5 rows of white. I have cream. And then I'm going to go back to 5 rows of red, and I will come and update you. Okay, so I'm going to change it to white. I should have done it there, but that's okay. This is going to be folding anyways. So I'm doing it here. And I'm going to put my weight and put this here. So 5 rows of the white. And then I'm going to switch back to 5 rows of red. Yeah, I never did a Grinch hat before, so just wanted to try it out. I am tying, and I am going to start the red again. So I did 5 rows of white. Now I'm going to do 5 rows of red again. And put this in the middle always, yeah, when you're not working with the yarn. Okay, so we started with 10 rows of red, 5 rows of white, 5 rows of red. Now I'm going back to 5 rows of white. So we're going to keep on going until we have the half of the hat, because it's going to be double, right? Double layered, and the rest is going to be green. Okay, so I'm just going to continue cranking, and I will come and show you how it looks like so far. I just don't want to do it all the way. Okay, I'll be right back. Now, doesn't this look nice with the red and the white? I just love it. Now I'm going to change. So I have 45 rows. Now I'm going to change to green, this color. Yeah, and this is a little bit bulkier than those, but that's okay. So I'm going to pull it like this, and I'm going to use my weight unfortunately. I like my Sentro more than I like my Addy, because it has the two extra, I'm going to hold it because this is bulky. I'm not going to put it through the thingy here. And then I'm going to knit total of 75 rows. So I'm going to put this to 0. And when I'm done 75, I am done. Okay. Just, yeah, this has a couple of strands and I don't want to miss any. So the first row can be a little bit difficult. So let me just go slowly. I don't want to. And I'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to give you an update. I had trouble with that green yarn. I tried everything. It did not work. It was really bulky compared to the 4-weight. So I'm going with this green. It's not bright as that green, which I was hoping, but this is another green that I like. This didn't work either. I tried everything. You know, I must have done this like 10 times, and because of the green, I had to start all over. So this is a trick I found out. It is ear that you put on your ear. It's ear wax that I bought it from Amazon. So I just wanted to share you this trick. What you do is you just put it here, and this helps. And it's sold in a case, in a box. I can't remember how much I paid, but I will link it. This is from Canada. I'm sure in the USA it's cheaper. So there's about 12 of them. 2, my husband took it to work, and 1, I'm using it right now. So there's lots of stuff in here that you can use, and I'm sure it will last forever. Okay, I double checked. I paid $14.05 plus GST on top of it, of course. Just wanted to let you know. Yeah, it's not cheap. So, but it's working. I just wanted to share because I tried everything and nothing seemed to be working. But yeah, so I'll update you as I go. And yeah, it's working so far because I had lots of tucks, loose ends, and it was not looking good at all. Okay, I'll be right back. I just wanted to show you how it looks like. It just turned out fantastic. No tuck threads, no losing any stitches. And I was just binding off. So this is a thumbs up, the ear wax. Let me pick up the stitch and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the hat. The knit isn't perfect, yeah, at the beginning because I had a problem, but I'm going to fold this. Ta-da! And the green isn't the same, but I'm sorry. I know I have some in my stash, but couldn't find it. Okay, I haven't seen anybody show this, so I guess this is how you put it. So I have this needle. It has a big, I need to get those wire ones. Yeah. Okay, so, and you poke it in the middle. I guess I never done it this way. I usually tie it with the thread. Okay, so I pull it. And the button, I've been seeing buttons like this. I wonder how they do that. I guess you sew this here, right? And then you tie it somehow. Well, I need to sew this, or let me see if I can do this. Yeah, there must be some tricks, but this will not go in. that's another no-no. Yeah, guess I need to sew this here and then tie it like that. Yeah, and then or this elastic is too big. Maybe I can do it this way. I thought you don't have to tie it. Yeah. Need to find that out, how you do the button trick, because they just, I don't think they don't even, I don't know how they do it. I haven't seen it. I'm going to check how to do it, if you know how to put the button here. I don't know. Well, I made a tie, but yeah, it needs to be right here so it won't move, right? Let me find a way to put this on here. Or there's another trick. What we can do is cut it, right? That's the only thing that I can think of. Cut it and then tie it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I did tie it here. So I'm going to cut this. And what I'm going to do is, this is the only thing I can come up with. Yeah. And then tie it. I'm sure there's an easier way to put the button, because I've been checking on the group, the knitting machine group on Facebook, but no one's showing how they do it, so here we go. Yeah, that's the closest it can be. I hope you like this tutorial. I know I'm not a professional knitting machine expert, and yeah. So here is my Grinch hat. I will put it on tomorrow. I'm going to go to the post office to pick up a package. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye-bye.